Igbo Community of Wales invites you to our Christmas party. On Sunday, December 7, 2025, join us from 4 p.m. till 8. Venue, number 77 Lianishan Rugby Football Club, Tiglas Avenue, Cardiff CF145DX. This is more than a party, it's a celebration of family, culture, and joy. Expect delicious food, vibrant music, children's showcases, and the warmth of our diaspora community coming together to mark the festive season. And for a one-night-only special, we are honored to welcome Minister Testimony Joe, who will be gracing our event with his uplifting presence and performance.
Join me, sing hallelujah. Finally, finally, come and join me, dance hallelujah. Finally, come and join me, give him.
Don't miss this unforgettable evening of celebration, connection, and cultural pride. Igbo Community of Wales Christmas Party. Date, Sunday, December 7, 2025. Time, 4 p.m. till 8. Venue, number 77 Lianishan Rugby Football Club, Tiglas Avenue, Cardiff CF145DX. Come ready to sing, dance, and rejoice, because this Christmas, we celebrate together. With Minister Testimony Joe live, for one night only. Share. Igbo Kwenu. Share. Igbo Kwenu. Share. Igbo Kwizuanu. Ise.